Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to subscribe to the YouTube Premium Family Plan in just a few simple steps. If you want to enjoy ad-free videos, background play, and access to YouTube Music Premium for your whole family, this plan is perfect for you. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device or visit the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Next, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open a menu where you can see different options such as your channel, purchases, and Switch account. Now, scroll down and find the paid memberships option. Tap on it to see the available YouTube Premium plans. Look for the Family Plan option and select it. You will see the details of the plan, including the price and features it offers. To proceed with the subscription, click on the Join or Subscribe button. You may be asked to confirm your payment details and agree to the terms and conditions of the plan. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the subscription process. Congratulations! You have successfully subscribed to the YouTube Premium Family Plan. Now, you can enjoy all the benefits of the plan with your family members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.